at how Anya can help you discover your outstanding issues related to the recent NPM supply chain attack. As you can see, there is a default prompt in Anya which says, "Am I vulnerable to the recent supply chain attack?" After we click on that, Anya would start analyzing our systems to identify if we have any findings related to this attack. In this case, Anya tells me that I am indeed impacted by this attack. It tells me that there are 40 critical severity findings related to this issue. It also gives me the name of applications which are impacted along with the count of findings in each of them. There is a content discovery and recommendation engine which has 18 findings. Then there is another application, user profiles and personalization, which has 13 findings. Search and voice search platform has 9 findings. It also gives me the risk score for each application along with the list of compromised packages. There is also a clickable link to all these findings. Here we can see all of those findings. Anya also provides me with 2 visualizations. First one is a pie chart with findings count for each impacted application. Second one is a bar chart with the risk score for each of the impacted applications. Now we will ask Anya to create Jira tickets for these findings. Let's give it a couple of seconds. Now Anya asks us for a confirmation along with a link for findings. After the confirmation, it will start creating tickets for these findings. As you can see, Anya has created the Jira tickets, which can then be prioritized by the respective teams and security owners. Thank you.